Hi, in this session we are going to discuss the use of display view, which basically helps us to scrapbook the live code during debugging. It is a very important feature of Eclipse debugging and a very interesting one as well. So let me demonstrate this and explain this with an example. So for that, let's go to Eclipse and open a program called debug_person_details.java, and inside debug_person_details.java, if we have a look at line number 7 here, uh, data util class is there, which is a class with some utility methods, and in this class the getPersonData method is invoked. So first have a look at getPersonData method of data util. Here, without going into details of the logic of getPersonData, we can see that it returns a list of person objects from getPersonData. So if I go back to the debug_person_details.java now, so here up to this, we are getting a list of person objects, and once that list of person objects is invoked, on top of that get 0 is called, means the first person object is retrieved, and on top of the first person object get age method is called. So let me place a debug pointer over here and run this program in debug mode. Right click, debug as Java application. Now uh, if I have a look at the variables view, I can see the age we can get. Now what is the use of display view? Up to this we can see the first person age from the display view, but for example, if I want to know how many person objects are returned using the method datautil.getPersonData. So in that case, if I want to write some code during debugging, and if I want to view certain attributes without changing the code, in that case display view becomes very important. Now how? Let me show you with an example. So let me open display view, doing show view display. Now here let me write this code datautil.getPersonData and dot size. As you can see, we have content assist here. Now I can run this code by selecting the code and pressing display result of evaluating selected text. If I go to display, it returns 6. So we know how many objects are returned. Suppose I want to view the age of the second person objects, then what can be done? Let me copy this code, Ctrl C, and clear the console, paste it once again, dot get. Now let me write 1 so that we get the second person object, and on top of that get age or get name, whatever we want. So let me give get age over here. Now select this code, display result of evaluating selected text. So if I come here, the age is 20. Similarly, I can see name, I can do whatever I want. So uh, in brief, we can write any code here which is valid in the context of the running program. So without touching the existing code, using display view, using the content assist that it provides, we can write any code here and we can understand or we can find out what are the values of different variables, or what values are there inside different data structures. So it gives us an opportunity to debug much deeper. So that is the use of display view. It is a very interesting feature of Eclipse debugging, and it is a very handy one as well. So that's all for now. We would learn many more advanced features in next sessions. Thank you.